You will never get what is in front of you until you let go what is behind you. This is about frustration and bad experience. We have all in life experienced bad things, and at times we got frustrated by it. Until you forget about or let go of what has hurt you the most, it will be very difficult for you to achieve what will make you happy. You will be bleeding and thinking about the pain instead of focusing at what you can do to get what you're looking for. You might be looking for a marriage partner and somebody broke your heart. You might be looking for a job and they dumped you, or you lost a job, maybe a dream job. Your business collapsed. Very many examples. It is true, it hurts people so much. You feel the pain, disappointment, the tears that you may shed, and many other things. But the bottom line is you should remain focused to what is in front of you. All those things that have hurt you, that has disappointed you, maybe losing someone in your life. No, it is very hard, very painful. But until you leave it behind you and focus on what is in front of you, you may not get what is in front of you. Because the time you spend thinking about what has really happened, you would have been spending it thinking about what will happen. The time you spend thinking about what you have done in the past, you should be thinking about what you should do in the future. What you're doing, like crying. What you're doing, like talking about what has already happened. If it is not to correct what is in front of you, it doesn't count. You should be talking about what will come ahead. You should be looking at what is in the future, planning for it, so that you can achieve.